What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be attempting to downperm my hair. If you guys don't know what that is, it's pretty much relaxing the sides of my hair so they're not as puffy. My texture hair is super straight and kind of thick, so when it grows out, it goes straight out and it doesn't look so good. So I'll show you guys like this side, so you guys can see like this bumpiness. That's because the hair is growing straight out. I actually did this side already, so I'll show you guys. It's not that dramatic, but I can totally tell the difference. So you guys can see the side straighter. I'm gonna put my hair up for you guys. And actually, by the way, I'm talking really like a lot because I just had like an energy drink and it's freaking 2 o'clock in the morning. But I'm gonna put my hair up for you guys. And this hair it's like naturally wavy now because I actually permed it. I filmed a tutorial on how I permed this hair. So if you guys want to see that, please let me know. You know, I can't edit that many videos at the moment, but I'll give it a try if you guys really want to see that. So you guys can see this side versus this side. You guys see it? A little difference maybe. Well, this side's definitely straighter and the hairs point down, versus this side the hairs just point straight out. So you can see my scalp through this, like my skin, versus this side the hairs are pointing down, so you can't see anything. It's actually really smooth. And I'm really excited because, like, all my teenage years, I always wondered how the heck did all these actors and idols have their hair, like, super straight. And mine were, like, sticking straight out. So you guys get this comb. And this is good because these bristles are really stiff, so it's going to help to push down the hair. And then you get the product, of course. And if you guys aren't familiar with perms, it actually kind of smells bad, but it's fine. Just do it in the bathroom or a well ventilated area. And then we also have these little sheets. So these are like, I don't know what kind of material. They actually look like dryer sheets. But these sheets are meant to put on your head after you apply the solution. To just kind of hold down the shape and make it smooth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze it onto my hair and then comb it out. So let's see how to do this in a good way. I can't see. You guys can't see either. Okay, I'll do it right. I'll do this. Yeah. Can you guys see? Okay, so I'm taking the product and I am applying it like this. You guys see that? And then I'm going to take this, the comb that they gave me, and I'm just going to flatten out my hair. And right away you guys can see like the difference. Can you see that? Like this is smooth versus it's like puffy right there. And as you're doing this, make sure you're like brushing this through. I look dumb. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, got out my shirt. Dude, this stuff stinks. Just to let you guys know. I just realized this, but every time I'm filming something, I film like the most difficult things to show you guys how to do. Like I can't even see myself. Even I can't even see myself when I'm doing this. But you know, oh well. I'm just gonna be really not messy, but just kind of like go with it, you know. Alright guys, so I'm back and I just applied on both sides and on the back. So now it's time for these little strips here. So what we're supposed to do is just put the strips yeah, like just directly on top. Like that, just so everything stays nice and flat. I mean, I don't really care about the back of my head. I think I'm gonna trim it anyways because I don't like long hair in the back. But I'm gonna be extra because when I did it on this side previously, like after I washed it, it's still kind of poked out. So I'm gonna use this little headband and then like do this. Hella extra. But I really want the sides to be pressed down, you know? And now it looks like I just came out of surgery. But, you know, I've seen them videos, dot finder Korea, whatever it is. Holla at your boy. No, I'm just kidding. But kinda, maybe. You're just gonna leave this thing on for 10 minutes and then you're gonna rinse it off with, I think, lukewarm water. I kind of just made that up, but the Korean directions, I can't really read those, so, and I'm kind of lazy to look them up, so we're just gonna go with that, and when I return, we're gonna see the results. So, alright guys, just kidding, I'm back, and look at me. This is like meme worthy. But, ooh, popular! But, yeah, I decided to add this on, just so I can get the back, like right here, you know. Yeah. This is the result, and this is the kind of the before and after, so you guys can see. I'm dripping, guys. Drip, drip. And guys, I think this is only like 15 bucks, and you get a lot of product in here. Like, I think I barely use like probably that much. Hello. ASMR. Not bad, right? I mean, the back, it's really puffy still. Because it's just super long back there, so I'm gonna trim it anyways. But yeah, the sides though. That's pretty flat, guys. Like, I've never had my sides flat like that before. And also another reason why I wanted it flat is because if I want to do one of these hairstyles,
I took a bag, like I did one of these.
Okay, there we go. If I want to do one of these hairstyles, I think it looks decent. Like, it doesn't look the best, but like if if I did one of these hairstyles, I think it actually would look decent. Cause before the perm, this would stick straight out, so it would look like horrible. But yeah, I think this would be okay, right? Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Please let me know if you guys would like to try this. Are you guys gonna try it? Do you think it's weird? Is it gonna help you out? I don't know, let me know. And if you guys want to stay connected with me, please add me on Snapchat. I'm on Snapchat at peterphungus, and on Instagram, where I post all my creative beauty content on there. So let me know what you guys want to see next, and maybe I'll make it happen for you. So later.